a lot of people do not understand that President Trump got what he wanted from Greenland. I mean, he just played everybody. The thing about it is the art of the deal, which I think he wrote, was to ask for something much more than what you wanted. So people can sit down and negotiate with you to get actually what you wanted. So he will ask for Greenland, the whole island. He knows he cannot get it. So he wants a deal, and he got the deal. He is now able, or the United States of America is able to do whatever it wants to do in Greenland. I mean, previously the U.S. has bases and has some kind of presence in Greenland and is able to send troops and security forces there because of the NATO alliance. But now he actually got to be permanent, got to the point where he got what he wants. So he asked for something really, really high, but he knows inside him he wants certain goals to achieve, and he did. And he asked you for $1,000, and he knows that you don't have $1,000, so you say, I'll give you 500. So that's the art of the deal. In the end, he won, and President Trump showed that he is really a master of deals, and he can achieve whatever he wants. And so far, he is getting whatever he wants. So congratulations to President Trump for getting the Denmark to agree to basically expand U.S. presence in Greenland and have much more rights to do whatever the United States wanted to do. So that's what it is. He actually won. And that's my take on the situation.